That market, please. This is a Monday morning. The Nasdaq's doing extremely well. It's up 430 points. That is 1.9%. Jeff Sica joining us this morning. My first question was going to be, and it still is, what does the performance of NVIDIA last week mean for the market? NVIDIA was way down last week. The market is up this morning.
Well, as goes NVIDIA, so goes the market. I'll give you 7 words. Those 7 words are, is this as good as it gets? That's what we were asking ourselves when NVIDIA put that earnings report out. And here we are with a company that almost reached 5 trillion market cap. And everybody is wondering how much further could this go. I've loved NVIDIA on the show since 2018. I think it's a great company. But what I would say is that there is a lot of froth in this market. When you look at real estate, you look at these data centers, when everybody with a double wide trailer wants to turn their trailer into a data center, you know that we might be on the verge of a bubble bursting. So I would be very careful at chasing any of these rallies. They're gonna pull back. Still a great sector, still a lot of hope, but I would tread lightly here.
That's the money quote. So we may be on the verge of the AI bubble bursting. I will tread lightly.
Yes,
that's it, isn't it? That's your point of view for the day. Okay, listen to this one. What does the consumer tell us about the economy this holiday season? Seems to be pretty good.
I think it's going to be a decent, it's probably going to be about $1 trillion, but you have to look at the big picture here. And what the big picture is showing is we're probably going to have less of a rebound than we've had since the pandemic ended. And I think when you look at, we've added since 2019 almost over $4 trillion in household debt. I still think that prices haven't come down enough, wages haven't increased enough. I still think there's going to be sluggishness. I'm not in the camp that this is going to be a great holiday season. I think it's going to show that the consumers who control 70% of the economy are not quite ready to, and look at debt, Stuart. Look at the amount of debt. The average credit card, 21%. We have piled debt on this nation, and I think it's going to show in these numbers.
Okay, it was fun having you with me on a Monday morning. So why don't you just comment now on this movie? What was it, Wicked or something? What's the name of it? Wicked movie, new Wicked movie.
Yeah.
It did well, didn't it?
It did very well. I love going to the movies, but I thought a 58-year-old man going to see Wicked yesterday by himself would have been a little odd, so I refrained. But it was a great opening for a Broadway adaptation, $150 million. But the problem is, I would love to see a rebound, a theater rebound. But it's only the big movies, it's only the big blockbusters that draw people. They haven't appealed to people like you and me yet, Stuart and Jason. They haven't put out movies that we're willing to go to.
So you're 58, so you could be my son.
Yes.
Right.